You're probably wondering about the equity gap. How much cash do you actually need to bring? And what happens if you can't cover it all in one shot? So here's what most people miss. Everyone talks about the assumed rate. Nobody talks about what your rate actually looks like when you combine the assumed loan with a gap loan to cover the equity difference. That combined number is called the blended rate, and it's the honest math you deserve to see before you decide anything. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Say you're assuming a loan of $350,000 at 2.75%. The home is worth $425,000. So you've got a $75,000 equity gap to cover. You take out a second loan at 8% to bridge it. Your blended rate on the full $425,000 comes out to roughly 3.5%. 3.5% on a $425,000 home right now, today. Compare that to a brand new loan on the same home at 6.8%. Your payment on that new loan is somewhere around $2,800 a month. Your blended payment on the assumption plus the gap loan is closer to $1,900. That's roughly $900 a month back in your pocket. $900 a month. That's a family vacation every year. That's your car payment disappearing. So now here's the thing. The gap loan doesn't follow you forever. Most of them are 10 to 15 year terms, so it pays off faster than the primary loan, way faster. Once it's gone, you're not at 3.5% anymore. You're sitting at 2.75% pure on whatever's left of the assumed loan balance, right? You start blended, you end up with the raw assumed rate. That's the actual trajectory most people never think about. Now you're probably thinking, okay, 8% on the gap loan sounds rough. And yeah, it's not a great rate in a vacuum, but you're not looking at it in a vacuum. You're looking at the blended picture. 3.5% blended versus 6.8% conventional. That math still wins, and it wins by a lot. Competitors will show you the 2.75% headline and leave out the gap loan entirely. I'd rather show you the real number and let you decide. 3.5% blended is still dramatically better than anything a new loan gives you right now. If you want to run your specific numbers, find me on Instagram, The Assumable Guy, or head to assumableguy.com. I'll show you exactly what the blended rate looks like for your situation.